So generally, in the UK, we say to people, if you cook it carefully, or if it smells of ammonia, that ammonia will break down. It's not a sign of aging or a sign of sort of being temperature abuse. It just happens when it comes out of the water.
Okay.
So always check for that, first of all. And then, and that's one of the reasons, the ammonia is one of the reasons why we cook it in acidulated liquid, because actually, if it is a little bit of a hint of that, it sort of breaks it down. Some chefs cook this in milk. I quite like just court bouillon. So court bouillon today is actually, court bouillon would normally be vegetables in there. I've got a lightly acidulated liquid. I just want to make sure that that shoulder is within range. I'm going to put a tiny bit more water in so that's just covered, because that area, when the fish is cooked, is going to come loose. And I'd say between 10 and 12 minutes, and then we'll look at it again.
Cool.
And then using a new pan, I've melted 50 grams of salted butter. I'm allowing that butter to melt and then go brown, and then if you want it like a beurre noir, you allow it to go to a deeper colour, almost to black. And then just to finish serving, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon and then a handful of capers and some seasoning. Turn it around in the pan and then just spoon that straight over the top of the ray wing to serve. And that is just gorgeous with butter.
Oh. Hats off.
Hats off.